Have you ever walked into a room and felt invisible, while someone else walks in and instantly commands attention? It's not about money, looks, or job titles. It's about the silent signals you're sending out, the habits that speak louder than words. Look, if people talk over you, ignore your boundaries, or take you for granted, it's not just their fault. It's yours. You're teaching them how to treat you. So let's dig into the 9 silent habits that sabotage your respect, and how you can flip the script, starting today. Habit number 1. Over-apologizing. Saying sorry for things that aren't your fault, like when someone bumps into you, or when you ask for something simple, signals low status. You're basically telling the world, hey, I'm a burden. Save your apologies for real mistakes, not for existing. Next up, over-explaining. Ever notice yourself giving a 10-minute speech just to justify a simple decision? That screams insecurity. If you say no to something, let it stand. No is a complete sentence. Leaders don't ask for permission. They own their decisions. Habit 3. Being too available. Scarcity creates value. If you jump to answer every text or always say yes to hangouts, your time feels cheap. People respect what they have to earn. Prioritize your own goals. Remember, being busy isn't rude. It's a sign your time matters. Number 4. Seeking external validation. If you're always fishing for compliments or watching people's faces for approval, you look desperate. The truth? Respect starts from within. The less you need applause, the more you get it. Habit 5. Tolerating disrespect. If someone makes a rude joke at your expense and you nervously laugh along, you're giving them permission to do it again. You don't have to be aggressive. Sometimes, a silent stare or a simple, "that wasn't funny," draws the line. Defend your dignity, because if you don't, nobody else will. 6. Gossiping. Sure, gossip might bond you with someone temporarily, but it destroys trust. If you talk about others behind their backs, people know you'll do the same to them. High-value people discuss ideas, not people. 7. Emotional reactivity. If you explode in anger or break down over little things, you instantly lose respect. Staying calm in chaos? That's power. The calmest person in the room is the one others look to for leadership. 8. Self-deprecation. A little humility is fine, but if you constantly put yourself down, call yourself stupid or ugly, it makes others uncomfortable, and it teaches them not to value you. Speak to yourself like you would to a friend. And finally, the biggest one, breaking promises to yourself. If you say you'll work out but hit snooze instead, if you say you'll start something but never do, you erode your own self-trust, and that lack of confidence radiates off you. People can sense it. Self-respect starts with keeping your word to yourself. Respect isn't given, it's commanded. Stop apologizing, stop explaining, guard your time, hold your head high. If you're ready to build bulletproof self-respect and master the psychology of influence, hit subscribe. Become the person you would respect.